Picture this. You're sitting at a cozy restaurant, and a sleek platter of vibrant sushi arrives at your table. The rice glistens under the lights, each grain perfectly shaped and sticky, wrapped in crisp seaweed, with colorful fillings peeking out, fresh vegetables, tender fish, or even sweet egg. The presentation is stunning, almost too beautiful to eat. It looks like something only a master chef could make, right? But what if you could create this same experience at home? Believe it or not, it's easier than you might think. Making sushi at home isn't just possible. It's a fun, hands-on activity that's surprisingly rewarding. You get to control every ingredient, ensuring maximum freshness and flavor. Love avocado? Pile it on. Prefer cooked proteins like shrimp or chicken, or want to go all veggie? The choice is yours. Customize every roll. This guide will walk you through the sushi making process, step by step, so you'll never feel lost. We'll cover everything from making perfect sushi rice to rolling and slicing your creations like a pro. Think of it as a weekend project, a creative family activity, or a unique dinner party idea that everyone will remember. Impress your friends, learn a new skill, and enjoy a healthy, delicious meal you made yourself. Ready to roll up your sleeves? Let's dive in together and make some amazing homemade sushi. The kitchen is our creative lab. Let's get started and bring restaurant-quality sushi to your own table. Sushi starts with the rice, short grain, sticky, and absolutely essential for authentic flavor and texture. The right rice is the heart of every sushi roll, giving it that signature bite and subtle sweetness. Begin by rinsing 1 cup of sushi rice in cold water, swirling it gently with your fingers. Repeat this process several times until the water runs clear. This step removes excess starch, which can make the rice gummy instead of perfectly sticky. Next, measure equal parts rice and water, 1 cup of each, for the ideal texture. This 1-to-1 ratio is key for fluffy, yet sticky sushi rice. Bring the pot to a boil over medium heat, then reduce to a simmer and cover tightly. Let it cook undisturbed for 15 minutes. Resist the urge to lift the lid, as the steam is crucial for even cooking. After cooking, remove the pot from heat but keep it covered. Let the rice rest for another 10 minutes. This allows the grains to finish steaming and absorb any remaining moisture, resulting in perfect texture. While the rice rests, prepare the seasoning. In a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and half a teaspoon of salt. Whisk until everything is fully dissolved. This mixture gives sushi rice its signature tang and shine. Once the rice is ready, transfer it to a non-metallic bowl, such as wood or glass, to prevent any reaction with the vinegar. Drizzle the warm vinegar mixture evenly over the hot rice, ensuring every grain gets seasoned. Using a wooden paddle or spatula, gently fold and slice the seasoning into the rice. Be careful not to mash the grains. Gentle movements keep the rice fluffy and separate. Fan the rice as you mix to cool it quickly. This step not only brings the rice to the perfect room temperature for rolling, but also helps create that glossy finish. The result is beautifully shiny, seasoned sushi rice with a delicate balance of sweetness and tang, a true foundation for great sushi. Perfect rice is the foundation of every great roll, providing the ideal base for your favorite fillings and toppings. With your sushi rice perfected and ready, you're already halfway to homemade sushi. Now, let's move on and prepare the delicious fillings that will complete your rolls. Now, let's get creative with fillings. Slice cucumber into thin matchsticks, remove seeds to avoid sogginess. Cut ripe, firm avocado into thin slices. A touch of lemon juice keeps it green. Imitation crab sticks are easy and tasty for beginners. For a vegetarian option, use firm tofu, press, slice, and pan fry if you like. Carrots add crunch and color. Cut into matchsticks. Uniform strips make rolling easier and every bite balanced. Arrange all your fillings on a plate for easy assembly. Choose your favorites. Mix and match as you like. The beauty of homemade sushi is total customization. With fillings prepped, you're ready to roll. Let's assemble your masterpiece. Time to roll. This is where all your careful prep comes together, and you get to see your sushi take shape. Start by placing a sheet of nori, shiny side down, on a bamboo mat that's been wrapped in plastic wrap. The plastic helps keep things tidy and prevents sticking. Wet your fingers to keep the rice from sticking, then gently spread a thin, even layer of sushi rice over the nori. Be sure to leave about a 1-inch border at the top edge. This will help seal your roll later. Next, arrange your chosen fillings in a neat line about a third of the way up from the bottom edge of the rice. This is where you can get creative with colors and textures. Remember, don't overfill. Less is more when it comes to making a tight, even roll. Too much filling can make rolling tricky. Carefully lift the edge of the mat closest to you and begin to roll forward, using your fingers to tuck the fillings in as you go. Apply gentle, even pressure to keep everything together. Once you reach the end, shape the roll into a tight cylinder, sealing the edge with a dab of water. This helps the nori stick and keeps your roll from unraveling. Let your completed roll rest, seam side down, for a minute or two. This helps it hold its shape and makes slicing easier. Rolling sushi takes a bit of practice, but don't worry, you'll get the hang of it quickly. Each attempt will look better than the last. Every roll you make is a little work of art, unique and delicious. Take a moment to admire your creation. Keep your hands and tools slightly damp throughout the process to prevent the rice from sticking and to make handling easier. With your first roll complete, you're almost done. Take pride in your progress so far. Now, let's move on to slicing and serving your beautiful sushi rolls. Get ready to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Grab a sharp, wet knife to slice your roll. Trim the ends, then cut the roll in half, then into even pieces, 6 to 8 per roll. Wipe the blade between cuts for clean slices. Arrange sushi on a plate. Presentation matters. Serve with soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger. Enjoy your sushi fresh. Leftovers keep for a day in the fridge. Don't freeze sushi. The texture won't survive. Take a bite and savor your creation. You've mastered homemade sushi basics. Experiment with new fillings and flavors. Share with friends, or keep it all to yourself. The possibilities are endless. Happy rolling.